we had a customer who they were hearing this intermittent noise every so often, and it had like an electrical, like an alarm going off almost, kind of a high-pitched electronic sound, but it wasn't happening the same time every day. We couldn't really pinpoint exactly where it was coming from. We all thought it was electrical, so we kind of did everything, disconnected some things, did everything we could, and then it actually turned out that there was a seal in their toilet that was going bad. Toilet tank was leaking, and then it was filling, but it was doing it so slowly that it was making this weird, it was this rubber gasket that was causing this weird high-pitched noise. And as soon as a plumber came out there and heard it, they were like, oh, yeah, that's this seal. We just need to replace it. So it wasn't even anything that was electrical. It sounded like it was electrical. It had us scratching our heads for a long time.